Hey guys, so today I'm pretty much going to show you all how to make a really simple cold brew coffee at home. So first I am just pouring about a cup, or pretty much a cup, of a medium roast bulletproof coffee that I picked up from the store. I'm just going to measure that out as precisely as I can get it. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my nut milk bag that I picked up from Amazon. Totally love it because it is reusable and all you have to do is rinse it out and wash it pretty well and just let it air dry. So I went ahead and poured that into the nut milk bag. Then I'm just going to pour 3 cups of cold filtered water. And I'm just making sure to transfer the water to a pitcher or a plastic carafe that I have here. So once I have the 3 cups of water put in my carafe, I'm going to go ahead and try to put my ground coffee in a nut milk bag inside of the pitcher. It's kind of narrow at the top, so as you can see, I am using clean hands to go ahead and push it down. But I went ahead and just grabbed another tool to help me really get it in there and make sure that all the ground coffee is just being submerged in water as evenly as possible. So once the ground coffee is submerged completely inside of the water, just go ahead and pop on the lid, give it another try there. And I'm just going to leave this in the fridge for about 24 hours. So put it in at 1 and I will see you guys back here at 1 p.m. tomorrow. We're back, guys. It's the next day, about 12 p.m., so a little bit under 24 hours. Don't really know why I opened and sniffed it like wine, but I do love the smell of coffee. So first things first, we're going to try to get the beans out as smoothly as possible and being sure to squeeze all the excess liquid so it can get into the pitcher smoothly. So here I'm just going to empty the leftover coffee beans into the trash. I'm going to turn my nut milk bag inside out. You can definitely choose to compost these beans, but right now this is the only option that I have is to trash them. But if you want to be more environmentally friendly and earth conscious, please compost leftover coffee beans and just rinse your nut milk bag and allow it to air dry. I'm also going to add a little bit, and when I say little, I mean tiny bit because that's all I have left over, of vanilla extract just to infuse the coffee and give a little bit more flavor. Then we'll go ahead and just place our lid on top and give it a good shake so all the flavor can get infused and the coffee can be smooth. So here I just filled a mason jar with a few cubed ice cubes and I'm just going to pour my coffee. Of course, I really don't measure, just however much I want at the time. Then I have some milk, oat milk, picked it up from Whole Foods. And of course, not measuring again, just to my own desired taste, which is pretty much a lot. And I'm going to grab a straw and enjoy. Let me know if you guys like this video and if you decide to make your own quarantine coffee.